What's up guys, C2113 here, and today we're going to be taking a look at this awesome hard travel case for the Artlii Pocket Projector. Alrighty guys, so hopefully you remember me doing that unboxing and overview video on the Artlii Pocket Projector here. Really great value. Again, this is less than 50 bucks on Amazon, and it's very lightweight and it's pretty compact, all things considered. And it's relatively well built and it has lots of nice features. But that's not what we're here to look at today. We've already seen that. You can click above if you want to go to that video. What we're looking at here today is this hard carry case, because honestly, with the projector coming without any carrying bag or option of any kind in the actual package, you know, it's something that you don't just want to throw in a backpack, because again, there's an exposed lens, there's no lens cover on this projector, and also, you know, it is made of plastic, so that's not something you want to get damaged. So I looked all over for options, and funny enough, there's actually basically a custom-made bag for this projector. So here it is. It's got foam liners in here, and you can see it's got your nice little foam inserts here, so you can remove these. And one compartment's going to be for your projector, and one's going to be for your power adapter, which, by the way, you know, this is the size of the power adapter, so keep that in mind. And again, this makes it so much easier to carry with, and let me remind you, this is only $13 on Amazon. I only paid $13 for this thing. So, link will be in the description as of everything. There you go. Projector sits in there, really nice. And let me quickly wrap this power adapter up. I'm gonna get too crazy with it. Just enough to simulate, you know, a quick toss in here. Obviously not totally tangled, but again, look at that. I mean, everything just fits in here really nice. And then you just close it up, zip it together, and bam, you're ready to go. You're ready to travel. You got your projector with you. And actually, you know, I'd argue that with this much space in here, you can totally fit, you know, your HDMI cable, if you want to actually have a display cable. You know, that's going to fit in here because, again, this doesn't take up that much room, this power adapter. So, you know, all in all, it's a custom case with a great smooth zipper for your portable projector, and it's only 13 bucks. So, again, guys, it's a hard case. It's got nice drop protection. It's got foam padding on the inside. It's a custom fit for this projector, and it has plenty of room for accessories. You can't beat it. So hopefully this has been helpful, and maybe this helps you make a decision to buy one of these. I know that I was a little apprehensive, but again, you know, it's $13. So I figured, you know, what the hell, you know, what can I, you know, how much can I lose? It's 13 bucks. And again, it's on Amazon too. So if there are any problems with it, you know, you can always get a replacement or return it. But anyway, links will be in the description. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you like this video, give me a like. If you have any questions about it, comments, etc., you know what to do. Leave them below. And as always, I'd appreciate it if you get subscribed.